Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can italicize single words in your designs, projects and images in Canva in 2026. So let us get started. So let me use that example text here. And there are two ways how you can do this, guys. For example, on desktop computer, because there is also another way on Canva mobile. We're going to talk about that just in a moment. So what you want to do is highlight the given text inside your text box by double-clicking into it, and that is going to highlight the entire text. So what you want to do is highlight only one word. So let me go with this one here, italicize. So if you'd like to do this, navigate to the text formatting tab here at the top and use italics. Click into it and that's going to italicize only that selected word. You may also use the shortcut Ctrl-I for that. The other option, let me just remove the italic letters. The other option would be to highlight your entire text box again, or only the one word. That's up to you. I'm going to highlight the entire text and then navigate to the font menu here in the top. Select it and then go through that list. And what you want to do, guys, is find a font that supports italic style or letters. To find that out, expand the given font here to the left and see if it supports italic letters or not. So if you don't see it, but only, for example, bold letters, semi-bold, medium, and so on and so forth, you will be able to apply only the bold letters using that method. But there's still also the option to use that feature at the top. So again, as you can see, I've selected bold letters, highlight the one word, select italic letters here, and that's it. So what if you'd like to do this on mobile? Now, as you can see, I'm on my desktop computer here, but on mobile, guys, it works the following way. So what you want to do is select the given word by tapping into it, for example, into that one here. And then if you hold your finger on it, there will be that option. I can show it right now, but I know how it looks like. Select all, and then depending on your selection, the given word for select or the entire text box for select all will be selected, so that you may then navigate to the text formatting and apply the italic letters either to the selected word or to all selected. And that's the only difference to the desktop version of Canva. That's how it works in 2026, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.